In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exact how to earn $200 per hour simply typing words online, and I'm even going to show you the platforms that will pay you to do this. So let's go ahead and get into it. This right here is a PayPal payment that I received for simply typing words online. Now results are not typically you may earn more than this, the same or a little bit less, but I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, then results like this will definitely not be possible for you. So make sure to stick all the way through the video and do not skip over any of the steps. Now the 2 steps to earning $200 per hour for typing words online are: step number 1, I'll be revealing the 3 platforms that will pay you to type words. Step number 2, I'll be showing you a certification program that will allow you to earn more money. Now the very first place we want to go to is this site right here called the Type. Now Type is a typing a certification program. Now it's completely free. They will print out a beautiful certification for you like you could see right here with your name on it, which will allow you to get credibility and earn more money on some of the platforms that I'm going to show you. So you want to knock this out of the way. Don't worry if you're not good at typing. I'm not either. This is a great way to practice and get a certification. So we're going to just start typing now. So basically I could just start typing. As you can see, 23% of all photocopier faults worldwide. Okay, and you could see I'm not that good. All right, my words per minute is like 50, so it's not that good, but we're trying. So basically you're just going to do that. Once you complete that, you're going to print out your certification. Okay, they're going to print out a beautiful certification like this for you. The last one I got was gold, so 50 words per minute. If you can get platinum, that's even better, 70 words per minute. But don't worry, as long as you get a certification. Now you have that out of the way, you got your certification. So now let's go to the very first site that's going to pay you to type. Now these are ranked from lowest paying to highest paying, so you make sure you're going to want to stick till the end. But this is the very first site right here called ClickWorker. Okay, ClickWorker now make money from anywhere, anytime, and it's really cool because ClickWorker actually has an app for iOS and Android phones, so you could do this from anywhere at any time as long as you have a phone, or you could do it on your computer as well. The cool part about it is that they pay via PayPal and pan your weekly payments, and you decide when you get paid. Okay, that's the coolest part about it. Now there's many different types of typing jobs on here, but the 2 that you're going to be doing is text creation, so like how product descriptions, easy stuff like that, and data entry. Okay, research data entry, so they'll tell you to go onto Google and find all of the local steakhouses in Los Angeles, and then you will go ahead and fill out a spreadsheet with different steakhouses, their email addresses, and the contact to the owner or something like that. Very simple. So ClickWorker is definitely one you want to get started with. You can make definitely $100, maybe even $200 per hour from certain projects on this particular site. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next website that will pay even more money, and I'll even show you a review of someone who made over $50,000 in passive income or extra income from this typing job. So this is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, so obviously owned by Amazon, a much bigger company, and you can make money in your spare time by completing simple tasks. Now if we go down, it says you can help companies do data research. You could verify details such as phone numbers or hours of operation, and you can gather information and fill out market research profile. So very easy, like just searching information online and filling out spreadsheets for these particular companies that need those spreadsheets made. So very easy. All you need to know how to do is literally type out the words that you see, and it's very simple. So Amazon Mechanical Turk, let me show you the review. As you can see right here on Side Nation Hustle, Amazon Mechanical Turk review, how I made $50,000 in my spare time. So if you want to see exactly how this person did it, you can go here. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last site. Now this site is going to be paying the most. It has the most amount of projects, so you can guarantee $200 an hour over and over because there's just endless amounts of projects. Now this site is called Freelancer.com. Now what you're going to do is you're going to search data entry, and then you're going to go to fixed price projects, and that's going to give you just fixed projects like a lump sum of cash, right, that you could just earn for doing these simple tasks. So there's a simple data entry job right here, 19 bucks. It's a smaller one, but should take less than an hour. This one right here, data analysis, 48 bucks. This one right here, $91, right, $142, and the list goes on. And on sometimes they have jobs that pay out, over $200, maybe even $300, as you can see like this one right here. This one pays up to $87, and it's a simple data entry research job. So these are all remote work from home, and you can earn up to $800 in a simple hour of doing that project. Okay, now this is a great side hustle. This is something that could definitely make you a couple $1,000 per month. I will see you in the next one. Take care.